What is the meaning of the word house? As a noun, a dwelling that serves as living quarters for one or more families, the members of a religious community living together, the audience gathered together in a theater or cinema, an official assembly having legislative powers, aristocratic family line, play in which children take the roles of father or mother or children and pretend to interact like adults, the management of a gambling house or casino, a building in which something is sheltered or located. Examples of use: he has a house on Cape Cod. She felt she had to get out of the house. The house applauded. As a verb, contain or cover, provide housing for. Examples of use: this box houses the gears. The immigrants were housed in a new development outside the town. House is spelled H-O-U-S-E. House.